Hello to everyone, especially to the students who enrolled in College of Engineering, BS Maths, BS Physics, BS Chemistry, BS Stat, and BS Education Measurements. And to those students that your courses were not mentioned in my vlog, as long as you enroll this subject, which is Integral Calculus for this semester, I would like you to invite to study with me today. My topic is all about area between two curves. And in my previous vlog, I already mentioned how to solve this area. So I have 3 steps to solve this area between two curves. First, I will assume that the curve will be y1 and then the other one, the line will be y2. Then, after that, I will tabulate the x and y values from the curve and the line. And after uh, tabulating the x and y values of the curve and the line, so I will plot the points and the Cartesian coordinates and then start solving by integration. Okay, so on the board I have find the area of the region bounded by the curve y equals x cubed and y equals x. Okay, so as what I mentioned in my introduction, assuming that y1 will be equal to y2, so the curve will be y1, then the line is y2, so plug in, so this will be x cubed is equals to x. So I will transpose x to the left, then equate to 0. Then factor. So x times x squared minus 1, then this will be equal to 0. So this is difference of two squares. So a squared minus b squared is equals to circle brackets a plus b times a minus b. So this will be x, and then I have now x plus 2, then x minus 2 equal to 0. So meaning I have 3. So x equals 0, x equals 2, x plus 2 equals 0, then x minus 2 is equals to 0. So I have now x equals negative 2, then I have now x equals positive 2. Okay, this is positive 2. So I have from x equals 0, then I have x equals negative 2, then x equals positive 2. So the next step is I will tabulate the x and y values of the curve and the line. So this will be x and y. So I will start from negative 2. So y is equals to x cubed. So y equals negative 2 raised to the power of 3. So this will be negative 8. Then negative 1. Actually, this is ascending. Right? So when x equals negative 1, in here when x is equal to negative 2, so this will be y equals negative 1 cube, so this will be negative 1. Then 0. So when x is equals to 0, so y equals 0 cube will be equal to 0. When x equals 1, so when x equals 1, so y equals circle brackets positive 1 raised to the power of 3, that will be 1. Then the last will be 2. When x is equals to 2, y equals 2 cube. So this will be equal to 8. Then how about the line? So x, too close. So x and y. So this will be negative 2. So y equals x. So this will when x equals negative 2, of course y equals negative 2. When x equals negative 1, so when x equals negative 1, so y equals negative 1. Next is 0. So when x is equals to 0, so y equals 0. When x equals 1, so when x equals 1, so y equals 1. Then the last will be when x equals 2, so when x equals 2, so y equals 2. Okay? So I'm done with tabulating the values of x and y from the curve and then the line. Next is, let us compare if this is correct. From 0, the same. Then negative 2, 8. negative 2, wait, negative 2, not the same, so this will be then what 2 and 8, so 0 0 2 and 8 2 2, this one is 8. Okay, so I will plot the points in the Cartesian coordinates. Okay, so I will use this portion. So take note, we will just pass 0, negative 2, and then we'll start from negative 2 first. X, and then this will be Y. This will be 2, 4, 6, 8. Then this will be, it's not straight. This will be 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. So negative 2, then 8. Negative 2, then 8. In here, negative 2. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay? Negative. Okay, negative this one, negative, negative. So negative 2, so third quadrant, right? Negative 2 and 8. Negative 2 and 8 in here, third quadrant. Negative 1 and 1. So this one, 1. Then 0. Then 1, 1. So this one is 1, 1. Then 2, 8. 2, 8. This one, 2, 8. Then how about negative 2? 2 in here. Negative 2, 2. Then negative 1, 1. Wait. Negative 1. This one is curved. Wait. Negative 2 and 8. Negative 1, 1. So here. There is no negative 2. I mean this one. Negative 1, 1. Then line will be negative 2. Then 1, 1. And this one. This one. Okay, so I'm done with the x and y values of the curve. Y equals x cubed and y equals x for the line. So I have now the x and y values. So let us check first from 0, 0, 0, 0. The same is negative 1, then negative 1. Then how about 1, 1. So meaning the curve intersect with the line from negative 1, right? So this is negative 1, this one. Then intersect also at 0, 0, then intersect also at 1 and 1. So the figure looks like this. So the first area will be this one. So this is area 1. Then this one will be area 2. So meaning area total is equals to area 1 plus area 2. Okay? Now we will start from area 1. Okay? Area 1. So the limits from negative 1 to 0. Okay? So I will write in here area total is equals to area 1 plus area 2. So let us solve first area 1. Area 1 is integral from negative. This is negative 1 to 0. So this is negative 1 to 0. Then I have now y1 minus y2 dx. Okay, so upper minus lower. So upper is the curve. So this will be integral from negative 1 to 0. Then square brackets, circle brackets. So this will be x cubed minus the line. The lower part is x. Then enclose with square brackets. Then simplify inside the square bracket. So this will be negative 1 to 0. Then I have now circle brackets x cubed minus x then dx. So integrate inside the circle brackets. So this will be x to the 4th over 4. Then minus x squared over 2. Then limits from negative 1 to 0. Okay? So just apply this one. So f of b minus f of a. So this will be ul. Then this will be ll, lower limit. So I will start with the upper limit. So I will use open brace. Then open square brackets. So this will be 0 to the 4th over 4. Minus 0 squared over 2. Then minus circle brackets negative 1 raised to the 4th power over 4. Then this will be minus circle brackets negative 1 squared over 2. Then totally close with brace. So 0, right? So this will be square brackets. This will be 0. Then minus 1 raised to the 4th power is 1 over 4. Then this will be minus 1 over 2. Then enclose with square brackets. So this will be 0 minus LCD will be 4. So 1 minus 2. Okay, square brackets. So this will be 0 minus circle brackets 1 minus 2, that will be minus 1 over 4. So this will be equal to 1 over 4. So meaning area 1 is 1 over 4 square unit. Okay? So this tiny area, this will be equivalent to 1 over 4. So this will be 1 over 4 square unit. Now next is 1. So that is area 1. Okay, area 1. Now solving for area 2. So allow me to erase this portion. So I will start with area 2. So area 2. So area 2 is this one. So from 0 to positive 1. So this will be 0 to positive 1. Because we have negative 1, 0, then positive 1. So points of intersection at negative 1, 0, and then 1. So the same, y1 minus y2 dx. So integral from 0 to positive 1. Then I will write square brackets. So take note, line is now the upper. So that will be circle brackets x minus circle brackets x cubed. Then this will be close with, enclosed with square brackets and then dx. Simplify inside the square brackets, integral from 0 to 1, so circle brackets x minus x cubed dx. Then integrate inside the circle bracket, so this will be x squared over 2, then minus x to the 4th over 4, limits from 0 to 1. Okay, so the same f of b minus f of a. So this will be open brace, then open square brackets, so this will be 1 raised to the power of 2 over 2, then minus 1 raised to the power of 4 over 4, then enclose with square brackets, open square brackets, so this will be 0 squared over 2, then minus 0 to the 4th over 4. Okay, so this will be totally closed with brace. So this will be square brackets, so this will be circle brackets 1/2, then minus 1 over 4, then minus, this one will be 0 everything, so this will be 0, then enclose with square brackets. So this will be equal to LCD between 2 and 4 is 4. Then divide by 2, that is 2 times 1 is 2. Minus 4 divided by 4, that is 1 times 1. Then this will be minus 0. Enclose with square brackets. So this will be 1 over 4 minus 0. So meaning, this will be equal to 1 over 4 square unit. Okay? So area 2 is equal to 1 over 4 square unit. So I have now area 1 is 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4. So this will be equal to 4. Then 1 plus 1, that will be 2. Reduce to lowest term, divide by 2. So this will be 1. Divide by 2, that will be 2. So this will be square unit. Okay? So the total area of this in point of intersection from negative 1 to 1 is equal to, area total will be equal to 1 over 2 square unit. Okay? So I think I'm done. That's all. A friendly reminder, if you have questions regarding this matter, just leave your comment or comments in the comment section. Then if you agree with me, please like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Franz Mats TV. Thanks for watching.